2025 was a year of building, on the ground, in conversations, through the product. Ubuntu Tribe showed up where the future is being shaped. On stage, in panels, at the heart of critical conversation. In 2025, we turned vision into concrete solutions. With Gift Gold, we reconnected technology to real value. Gold, accessible, transferable, and borderless. Every exchange, every encounter, every moment tells the same story. 2026 will be the year of adoption, of scale, of real-world impact. We don't talk about the future of finance. We build it together.